You broke the tram. We're like going up the smallest little incline and I don't think we're gonna make it. So today on the agenda is getting a Christmas tree.
There's some trees behind us right here.
There's a couple.
Living in the city is different. You don't go to like a big, huge Christmas tree farm necessarily.
This is how you buy it in Amsterdam. You just go right into the middle of the city.
They have little shops set up. Some of the flower markets have them. The little hardware stores sometimes sell them. But this is like the closest thing you got to like an actual little Christmas tree
lot. Like a Christmas tree lot. Yeah.
Right here on a very busy street in the south of Amsterdam. We're gonna find ourselves a Christmas tree.
There's a Home Depot like place here.
You could do that.
But
this is more fun.
We did that last year and it kind of bit us in the ass because we got a tree that
it was more of a bush.
was awkwardly shaped. So we're hoping for just a normal tree this year.
And there's music playing. And,
yeah. It's from a car though. It's not part of the Christmas thing.
Typical. You're going the wrong way. The arrow says that way.
It's cute how they have it kind of set up like this, like all kind of spread out. So you can see the different types.
Those are like the bushes we had last year. What kind of tree do you want, Katrina?
I think I want the noble fir, which are these over here. I like that he called those hippie trees. I think that's really cute, but I don't like them.
Hippie trees? Okay.
You put ornaments on them and they just go Yeah, I like these, but this is obviously too gigantic. We need one that is on a diet. This one is like
that might be the one.
No, it's too small. Because that's still like half a foot off the ground. Like it. Why are you such a big...
I'm not making fun of you. So we're in the middle of the Christmas tree hunt here. We were trying to find the right height and the right width because last year's tree was chunky on the bottom half and we're looking for something a little skinnier. We'll be out here another few hours or so. Good times. Yeah.
Well, that one's really wide at the bottom.
I tried, buddy. I tried.
He's a nice
you were my choice.
He's a nice looking tree. Like they are really like good quality. Like they feel super healthy. Not like California where everything's already dead when it shows up. What about this one?
I like that one. I think that's the appropriate size for our apartment.
And it's kind of like skinny.
Yeah. I think we might have like a final two choices. Here, we have this guy with the little red circle on it. We're gonna call him George. Is this George the tree? George. George the tree looks nice. George, you know, a green tree. Looks like an evergreen tree. It's my technical extent of my knowledge.
It's a noble fir.
This is Stan the tree. Stan's a little more filled in maybe. George down there has some gap going there. Very distinct color. At the bottom.
Stan looks crooked though.
So does George. I don't know, maybe we don't have a final two after all.
Alright, so we found our tree.
Is this our tree?
Yeah, I think so.
Stan wins?
Yeah, he's still like a little full at the bottom. We're still gonna have to like probably trim these a little bit, but
that's okay.
I can't feel my fingers anymore, so I think this is good.
Ta-da! Ready? Hey, finally! Look at that. Ta-da! We got a tree. It's from Denmark apparently. It's a Danish tree. Danish tree we bought in the Netherlands to go live with the Americans till it dries out and dies and we have to throw it away. I tried to not talk about how cold it is out here because I know we do that a lot because we're from California. It's cold out here. Very cold out here. We are out and about. We're gonna ride a tram tonight.
An old tram.
An old tram.
Not just any tram.
It's a winter tram, right? Isn't that what this is?
Yeah.
To see the lights.
It's a holiday light tram, if you will.
But trams are big in Amsterdam, obviously public transportation, and the modern trams are big and bright and white and blue and blah, blah, blah. Then they have the old school ones from like the teens and 20s and stuff. And Katrina booked us on one tonight. I was promised hot chocolate and a cookie.
And I hope you get hot chocolate and a cookie.
It's your health. Thanks for the visit.
Oh, thanks for having us.
Without clients, we have to stop.
Getting on a Christmas tram. A tram that they used to use back in the early 1900s, and during the holidays they do some Christmas rides around the city. And so we get to go see all the pretty lights and all the Christmas trees and see Amsterdam during the holidays.
I was promised a cookie. That's why I'm here. For the cookie. It's cold. It's like the coldest night of the year so far. And of course we're gonna be outside. This tram is heated.
I don't know.
Great. We don't know. Might be heated, but we're gonna see all the lights. Amsterdam puts up different lights in every neighborhood. I was actually really dreading this because I thought there was gonna be a million children. There's not. It's good. It's gonna be fun. People are staring at me.
Here we go.
Holiday tram ride, 2022.
2022. It's gonna be a tradition?
No, maybe? Sure, yeah, I don't know. This tram is from 1929. 29. Yeah. What do you think happens if you pull the cord? Will they stop? I mean, they won't stop.
I thought it was a bell. Isn't one of them a bell? That's
don't know.
what he rang to like go. He was like ding ding.
Oh, did he?
On that side, yeah.
I dare you to do it.
No.
Oh, I thought the dare would make her do it.
You broke the tram. We're like going up the smallest little incline and I don't think we're gonna make it.
So the oldest tram, he told us, is from 1904. It's still running.
Very old.
We did not get that one. How old is this one? 1929, do the math. 22, 29, 93 years old? Churros, just like in Belgium.
Bratwurst. We didn't try that old Poland. We gotta come back there.
I buy my socks there. I buy my wax figures there at Madame Tussauds. I don't have any wax figures. I'm lying. That guy was vlogging. I vlogged the vlogger. Yeah, I caught him vlogging us, so I vlogged him back.
Aggressive.
I'm an aggressive vlogger. My cookie's gone.
Oh, I thought I had one more piece to share with you. My cookie is also gone.
It's a good cookie.
I have more at home.
We have a big giant cookie at home. But we're saving that for the viewers.
Still to come.
Still to come. I think our trip is winding down here.
Is it?
I think so. We're getting close. Yeah, it's been nice. We got to see a whole tour of Amsterdam. We went all through the center and by Dam Square and through the Jordan. We're kind of 9 Streets area right now.
That's really pretty.
Yeah, it's great.